As we are stepping into a new year, I'm planning a lot many things from the last few weeks. There are a lot many announcements lined up in this specific month, so please stay tuned. But today, I'm very happy to announce that there is one very interesting project launch which we are doing. So, you have actually observed this thing that we are very well aware about the concepts. We know almost all the data science algorithms as well, their maths as well. And I think in 2025, I have dedicated a lot of time in my full stack data science cohort as well, where almost everybody have seen that how these mathematical things comes and plays a very integral role in terms of understanding, right? But things doesn't over there, right? It's very important that when we have an understanding of all of these concepts, how can we make use of them in order to build the complex projects, in order to understand what is the mindset with which people are trying to create some real time projects in the industries. So, over here, I'm very excited to launch the data a specific project cohort in which we are planning to create three end to end real time projects where it's not that I will be having some code file and I will come and explain you. No, at the moment in the live sessions itself we will try to make three end-to-end projects. One project is with respect to the data analysis task, where we will try to make use of Power BI as well at the end to make the reports and the dashboards. Second project is more inclined towards the customer churn prediction. Why I have chosen this project? Because this is a more generalized project. So if there is any fresher who is actually looking for which sort of projects I can use in my resume, so that is one of the most interesting project which again you can use. When you are applying for the companies, you don't know that which specific domain you will get into, right? And same thing will happen for working professionals as well. If you are trying to explore more opportunities in your life, again, a second very interesting project which we will be covering up is customer churn prediction, which is almost applicable for all the domains and the use cases. Now, over there, we will be using a lot of machine learning algorithms in order to create a more robust model. So you should be aware about all the tree-based algorithms that we have, all the mathematical things like stats, linear algebra, uh, in order to understand the internal maths. The idea over in this specific course is not to go in depth towards any algorithm that I think I have already covered up in this specific year. The idea is to solve a problem of lot many learners. Uh, when I interacted with them, I have observed that the main issue was, after understanding they are facing, is how can I use them in order to create the projects, how can I make the complex projects. They have written that they have built end-to-end projects in their resume, but when I interviewed with them, when I have taken the interview, I have observed that they don't even know what they have done. They have just copied the projects from somewhere else. So that is the main gap which this specific course, I really hope, will uh, help them to understand, will try to help them to have an idea that how the projects will be built in the industries. I really want to shorten this specific gap, and that is the main reason why we are coming up with this specific course and the idea. The third specific project will talk about deep learning stuff, where you will get to know that how we can train a neural network, CNN based model, in order to do a medical image classification task. So that is the overall idea. Again, I am saying, after this specific cohort, this specific 1 month short duration course, what you will take at the end of the day is not that I have built the project. You will be able to say that, hey, I have got the mindset on how we should be able to build any project, what are the different data decisions that we have to picked up. So just now let me share my screen and I'll just try to showcase you where you have to go in order to get the more details about this specific project. And if you're really interested, whether you're fresher, whether you're working professional, whether you are someone who really wants to explore this specific field in a real time, you can just directly grab that opportunity. You can directly go to that specific link. I will mention that in the YouTube description as well. If you have any doubt, any question with respect to the course, you can always let me know in the comment section. I usually study all the comments and will respond to you as soon as possible. Also, it's very important to first of all look onto it, and if you feel that you are someone who is struggling with the similar things which I have talked about right now, then only enroll into this specific course. Because I'm again repeating this point, I'm assuming in this cohort whosoever will enroll, they have a basic idea about Python programming, the machine learning fundamentals, the mathematical ideas. So if there is anyone who is not aware about all these things and directly enrolled into the course, that person might face difficulty, because over there, our main sole target is to do the implementation work. So this is for the very first time I am doing this kind of a project course launch as well. So I think I'm really expecting that we both will enjoy, me as a mentor and you guys as a learner will enjoy this specific course as well. And with that, let me try to share my screen and I'll try to explain to you that what are the things we are covering up in detail. And at your end, if you want to go and explore further, how you will explore that. Over the years, while mentoring the learners, while interviewing the candidates, I have noticed a pattern and I have noted down over here. There are four interesting points which I have observed. First of all, people explain the algorithm, but they struggle to apply them. I mean, when I'm talking about data science algorithms, maybe they are clearly aware about what are those algorithms, how their maths will work, but they really struggle in terms of how can I apply them? What is the application of it? On which specific use case, which specific algorithm will work? Secondly, whenever I opened their GitHub account, I observed that their projects are copied from someone else. They are not understood because they won't be able to explain to me what is the end-to-end goal of the specific project. If I ask them a questions like why you have applied this specific algorithm and not that other algorithm, they don't have any answer for this. Resume mentioned that they have done the implementation of end-to-end projects, but that person can't explain why that specific decision that person have taken. No clarity on how the data modeling, visualization, and deployment connect with each other. So what does that mean? It means that somehow they know what are the algorithms we have because they have learned from maybe my videos, from my cohorts. And in fact, this 2025 cohort where I launched regarding the data science, full stack data science, there also we have focused very solely about the research per se. We have talked about all of these algorithms in detail. But over here in 2026, focus is bit of change in this specific cohort. It's a very short 1 month course where I want to now somehow decrease this gap. So what I am doing over here in this specific 1 month, I would say, course, or what we will be doing at the end of the day. So you will be able to observe, we will build the project from scratch. So there will be 3 projects. I will just talk about those as well within few minutes. And it's not that I will be having some code files and I'll just open in front of you and just explain you. No, everything we will do in a live mode. I will do the each and every step. We'll try to explain the reason behind the same, and you will also have to implement them in your own system as well. So I'll explain why we are doing each step. I will showcase you real world decision making and will try to help you understand that how an actual data project flows in the industry. So whatever be the data project pipelines we have, whether it's a data analysis pipeline, whether it's a data analysis pipeline, or it's a data science pipeline. So I will try to help you to create both of them. So if there is anyone who wants to enter into data specific role, be it data analysis or data science, you can enter into the specific project as well. Now, we came up with this idea because we have observed, as I have mentioned, a lot of gap between what we know and how can we implement it. When we go to the industries, we have to implement end-to-end projects. Although we have the individual teams, but at least as a fresher, as a working professional, when you're applying it, you should be comfortable with all the steps that we will be having in the project pipeline. So over here, if you will go to this website of chaicode.com, yes, I have done a very good collaboration with Hitesh sir again. And in his website, if you will go and you will observe, what is the prerequisite? You should know about the foundational concepts of Python. You should also know about the in-depth understanding of machine learning, deep learning, statistics. Now, if you don't know all of these things, you won't be able to understand how can we build the project, right? So it's very important to know all about these things. Now, what are the timings of this course? It will be from 12 to 2. So on every Saturday and Sunday in the afternoon, we will sit together and we will try to do the implementation. Now, this timing can be beyond 2 as well, but usually we try that maximum portion we will be able to cover up within 2 hours. As I have mentioned, we will build 3 projects. So these are the details of the project. First one is about sales dashboard. Over here, we will try to build an interactive dashboard where the knowledge of Power BI, the knowledge of EDA, the knowledge of stats will come into picture. Then we will talk about customer churn prediction. Over here, the main focus is to implement machine learning algorithms. If you will observe in all of these projects, we have taken a very generalized projects. The main reason is we don't want over here domain specific. Because if as a fresher, if you want to apply into the companies, you don't know which specific company will give you a very good opportunity, very good package. So these projects, I think whether it's about sales, whether it's about customer churn prediction, all of these things, we can change the data set and everything is applicable in all the domains. The last one is domain specific, where we will talk about chest x-rays image classification task. But by saying that, in this, the main focus is to understand how the classification of an image will be done with CNNs, convolutional neural networks. But over here, we will use medical image dataset to understand that how the classification is being done. So this is the overall idea about, I would say, projects that we will be building. Now, once you will be able to implement these projects with me in the whole 1 month, this will help you to get an idea that how basically we will have to explain this in the interviews, how we will have to develop that mindset on building any project. So at the end of the day, I don't want people to say that, hey, I have built these 3 projects. No, I have built the mindset. Now, if anyone will give me a data set from scratch, I am in a position to build the project from scratch. So that is the overall idea about this. I hope you're very excited. In fact, I am really excited. And one more thing, we are planning to do something amazing like this for data analyst portion and DSA part as well. So please stay tuned. All of these announcements will come up in this month only. Now, if you will click on this join batch button, for the initial enrollments, we are offering a, I would say, promo code as well. So as soon as you will go inside this, you will see early data, 50% off is there. So as soon as you will apply this, you will be able to observe. So if I will just try to showcase you over here, if you will be able to observe, only with 2250, you will be able to enroll into the specific course. So I hope that you are very excited with me to start this new journey. Please, if you are struggling with the project curation in data science specifically, I know many people are struggling with that because I used to interact with them on a monthly basis, on a weekly basis, on everyday basis as well. So please try to go ahead and explore this opportunity. Not really sure whether we come up with this specific project and the course again in the 2026 because I usually take one course at a time. So if you are very much interested, please go ahead and explore this opportunity. If you have any questions about this course, you can mention them in the comment section of this video. I will read all the comments and will try to answer you the questions if you have. With this, bye-bye everyone, and I will see you all in the next upcoming discussions. Bye-bye.